Hi guys, welcome back. I know I've been gone for a very long time. Life happens, you know. I've been busy and I just couldn't, like, we've been doing e-learning back in March and we just finished at the end of, almost at the end of June, and I was just like, you know what, let me get back to my routine. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I have my BoxyCharm base box here. Ooh, exciting, right? So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, this is the base box. They have 3 subscriptions. The first one is the base box, which is $25 plus tax a month, and you get 5 full-size items. Another box is the BoxyCharm Premium, which is a $35, and you get 6 to 7 full-size items in there as well. And then the other one is a quarterly box. If you get the base box, it is called the Luxe box. If you get the base box, it will replace the base box and you get the Luxe box, and that is $50 a month, and you would get, I want to say, 8 or more products. It could be anything. It could be makeup related, it could be skincare related, it could be household related, anything. So yeah, but for this month we got the base box, and let's just go right into it, okay? All right, so here it is. It's red inside and it says BoxyCharm, and you already see some goodies in there. So here's the card. It is a BoxyCharm Sunshine. Okay, don't mind the hair, okay? I know I haven't got my hair done in a while, but you know, oh well. And the noise you're gonna hear is the fan. It's hot in here. I have to have the fan blowing. All right, so we're gonna see what we got. The first item, this seems intriguing. This is the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleanser by Lavish. I do have one of these, but in a different brand. So this is of course, with this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powdered pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable, and this retails for $20. This is really cool if you're doing like an eye look and it has a lot of pigment and you want to use that same brush but want to use a different color. You just go in there and you swivel the brush in there and it takes the color right off. So these are really cool. I do have one of these, and I can't remember the brand name, but I also have like replacement pads too. So that's pretty cool. Do I need it? No, because I already have one of these. So I wish I would have got a different product than this, but that's okay. They don't know, right? Okay, so then the next product I got here. Ooh, look at that. It's a Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe lipstick. Ooh, okay. Love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coated that dissolves as it applies to your lips. It's in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturized cream finish. This retails for $17. So what is mine? Mine is a satin matte lipstick. Trying to see what color this is. It's a really nice box and I'm already destroying it. Really beautiful box. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Okay, what are you called? Sex tea. It's a satin matte lipstick. Okay. And then I think you have to push it. So it has a push. That is their logo. It's like an owl. Here it is right there. Can you see that? And then you push it. Pops out the lipstick. Here it is. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Wow. I don't even want to swatch it, but I gotta see what color this is. Okay, this is what the color is. It's like a fall color to me, you know. You do get a little bit of the glitter, but not as much, because it's not on the lip part, it's just on the outside part. It's a nice color, not something that I will wear, but I will still give it a try, you know. But I love the packaging, it's very, very cute. Okay, that's awesome. All right, the next thing I got here, okay, this is an item I picked. So every month you get to pick a product. Like today I got to pick a product for my base box, and this is what I picked. This is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts comes together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complex for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and help reduce eventual signs of aging. And this retails for $49.95. So that is so cool. It did come in the box. I just took it out. So this is awesome. I don't want to open this up yet, because I do have something that I'm using right now. It is the 1-1 Skin vitamin C, like it's a booster too as well. And I'm mixing that up with my moisturizer, because these are really good to mix with your moisturizer, so it really soaks it in. So I'm excited to try this out once I finish that 1-1 Skin one. So this is exciting. Okay, this actually paid for the box double time, you know. Okay, ooh, okay, I see 2 more products here. The next thing I got here is an Hourglass. What are you? Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. It's an ultra precision brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblading. Worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for natural defined brows. This retails for $28. Okay, what color are you? This is in warm brunette. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is like very, 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 sorry about the door slam. This is a very, very skinny pencil. Let's see. Ooh, okay, it has a spoolie on this end, very soft. Does kind of feel like, because I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, I'm gonna compare it kind of way. So very soft, it feels like the Anastasia Brow Wiz. That's what I have on my brows right now. Let's see the color. Oh, look at that, the shape of it. I want to see the color. Okay, I did it lightly. I think it'll work. It'll work for me. We'll see. Oh, this goes on the side. We'll see how this goes, because I'll show you the Anastasia one. Oh yeah, so the Anastasia is on this side, and then this is the Hourglass. The only thing is that I know I have to warm up the Hourglass one, because Anastasia is already warmed up and everything, and so it's very creamy. So it'll be you know, something amazing to try out to see how I like it. Because let me see, how much is this again? $28. Ooh, Anastasia is a little cheaper. I think Anastasia is $21. So I'll stick to this one. But I always get Anastasia when they have them on sale at Ulta. I pay half the price. I don't pay, like, I try not to pay over $21 for an eyebrow product, you know. All right, so the last thing we got here, super excited about this. This is the Pure Cosmetic Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. It says, get into a state of intense euphoria, I can never say that, with the shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette. that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light reflecting formulas, this cruelty-free pigment comes complete with matte and transition shades, and this retails for $36. I love, look at that. I love the packaging. We did get a palette. I have to like double check my palettes here. Of Pure, we have gotten Pure palettes before from BoxyCharm, but look at that packaging, is super cool, and it's 2.0. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna use the card because it does come with the mirror, and I just want to block the mirror so you're not getting the light reflex. So, but here it is. Look at that. That is really, really pretty. Okay, we got some like pink, red, purples, blues here, browns, you know, transition colors, a lot of shimmers. I can see myself using like this top row here for sure, like these. I'm not too much sure about the ones on the bottom, and this one is kind of intimidating but you know, we'll see. But that is very, very pretty. Let me see the other palette that we got and let's compare it. Okay, so here is the Pure Festival one that we got a while ago. I think that we got this like last year or something like that, and then this is part 2. So like this is the difference. So this is the 2.0. Okay, let's open this up. I have used this before. I'm gonna need something to cover this up. Here, we'll do it like this. I'll use that there, and then this one here. Okay, so this is the old one, and then this is the 2.0. This is the newest one. So here we are. You're seeing it firsthand. What, if you see any difference, or you know, things like that, how the color palette looks like. So let's see. Okay, so this one has a pink, but this is very pink, whereas this is all red pink. There is a purple here, but this one has a darker purple. Yeah, I mean, this is more glitz and glamour type of thing. There is some transition colors. Yeah, I mean, they're different some way or whatever. I have tried this palette. It is really good. The shadows are very blendable. Pure palettes, like their eyeshadows are really good. I like them. I have never had any issues with them, so yes. Okay, so that was the last thing I got, so I'm very excited. So here we go. All right, so we're gonna recap and we're gonna calculate on the items that I received in this box. So the first I got was the Pure palette, and that was what is it, 40, no wait, did I even say, oh, $36, right? $36. Then we got the Clean Skin Club. That was $49.95. And then we got the Hourglass Arch Pencil. That was $28. Then we got the Hank and Henry lipstick here, and that was $17. And then we got the color switch, and that was $20, right? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And so my retail value was $150.95. I want to say the $25 box has to retail over $120 something. Let me double check on Boxy's website to make sure that I got my money's worth and it was over that amount, because I have heard that sometimes the box has been under that amount and people were not too happy, but Boxy has corrected them, you know, like corrected the box and gave them, you know, money that they can spend, the money that they can spend in, you know, when they have the add-ons or things like that. So let's see. Sorry. Okay, yes. So the retail value of a $25 box should be retailing over $120, which it did. It retailed at $150 and change. So that is really, really good. Remember, this base box is a monthly subscription. 5 items. You get to choose 1 item out of the box. So yeah. Alright guys, well that's about it. That's everything that I got in my box here. It's pretty messy. If you like videos like this and enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you can. You know, I'll try to bring you more videos. I'm trying to get back into the swing of everything. But anywho, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. And I love you lots. And have a good day and be safe out there. Bye.